Welcome back to Glorious Study Circle. I am Bisma Wahid and today we are going to perform an addition quiz. Hope you will enjoy the quiz. If you did not subscribe the channel or like the video, please subscribe it or like the video and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get all upcoming videos. Let's get started. Question number 1. 8 plus 9. The options are 17, 18, 16, 12. Your time start now. And the correct answer is 17. Now let's move towards the question number 2. 2 is 15 plus 4, 19, 18, 20, 15. And the correct answer is yes, 19. Now let's move towards the question number 3. 9 plus 9 and your options are 15, 17, 18, 16. Your time start now. And correct answer is 18. Well done. Now let's move towards the next question. 4 plus 9 and options are 16, 13, 18, 14. Your time start now. And correct answer is 13. Well done. Next, question number 5. 2 plus 9. And options are 12, 14, 11, 13. Your time start now. And correct answer is 11. Good job. Now let's move on. Question number 6. What is 9 plus 3? And the options are 12, 17, 16, 13. Your time start now. Come on, thinking time. Time's over. Correct answer is 12. Good job. Now let's move on. Good job. I hope you enjoyed the quiz. For these type of more quizzes, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video and quickly press the bell icon to get the next upcoming videos. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. See you soon in my next upcoming video.